What's good, my babies? It's your girl, baby V, and I'm back with another freaking video.
Bad little boss doing big shit. All in trapping with my dog doing rich shit. Bitch, you ain't gotta lie just to kick it. You got an attitude, little baby, then fix it. With the crew when we doing a lot of big things. Baby V, that's my motherfucking nickname.
Y'all, this video today is sponsored by TEMU. Shout out to TEMU for sponsoring me and giving me these awesome rides. Check it out. Peep the baitcaster. One of a kind right here. I got this one, and I also got this one. Nice ride, nice baitcaster. And then I also got this one. Ooh, this one is a high sensitivity one right here. Also, check the description for my code. It's in the description box. If you want these rides and you want some money off, go do that right now. Shout out to TEMU.
Y'all, TEMU is celebrating their 3rd anniversary, and we got coupons for everyone. New users, old users, whatever. Y'all can get $20 off. It's a coupon. All you gotta do is search the code in the search bar, not at the cart. Search it in the search bar. As y'all can see on this screen recording right now, I'm gonna show y'all how to, search it in the search bar and actually get your $20 off coupon. It is a single coupon that saves you $20, not a coupon bundle. Also, if you want these specific rides, please go down in the description box and click the links to these exact products. Also, I have lures, fishing line, clothes, all type of stuff. So if y'all interested in any of these items, please go down in the description box and please use that code to get some money off. Also, I will be reviewing all the rides in this video. So if you're interested in buying, please watch the full video to its entirety, because I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Don't forget to get and use that code. Like, it'll help. Real deal. And as you can see right here, the coupon has been applied and it is money off. So I just want y'all to take heed of what I'm telling y'all. Search the coupon code in the search bar, not at checkout. All right? So, yeah, let's get back into the freaking video.
Let's get into it. I'm out here with my guy. Caught not about. We at the spot. We on an inflatable boat today. Trying to see what we're gonna catch today. It's a lot of bass out here, y'all. When I say a lot of bass, a lot of bass. And it's crappie out here, all type of shit. So I'm ready to see what we finna get today. Go ahead, like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let's get it. Dude, buddy, he just said. So first, y'all, I'm gonna use this bait caster. I got this chatterbait on here with this swim bait. I think that's what it is, a shad. I don't know, y'all be trying to correct me. Whatever. Y'all know what I mean. See what I can get with this. I need to make sure it's straight, because I just put this bait on here. Oh Lord, I'm already bird nesting. I can't catch a break, Chad. Can't catch a break. You had a bite? Huh? He got him one, Chad. Bass. Yes, sir. First one of the day. Damn. And I got it on camera. my scale in the car? Come on, B, you gotta get you one. No, I got one. Is that a... Damn! What the hecky, y'all? He got two of them. Travis!
That too.
They not hitting my shit. They must like that green thing. I don't know. I'm gonna keep going.
Dude said, can we come tomorrow? He off. 3 off too.
Yeah. Morning. Gonna have to be morning. I'm going camping tomorrow.
Camping? Camping for what? Or
I'm just camping.
you camping?
Just lifestyle. Just for content.
You gotta come to the good camp, bro.
I told you I'll come.
I'm supposed to be going up there.
Travis be hunting too. He probably got some spots too. Bro, every time. Why? I just threw over there.
I just went out yesterday. I'm going tomorrow, Saturday, put some more corn on.
Fish on.
Hey, camera on.
Fish is. Ooh, that's a. That's that motherfucker.
Your camera on?
Yes, it's on. I don't want that fish.
We got till we get in the trees. Pick me up home and get us out the tree.
That's my fish chat. But. Ooh. Ah! I don't want that. Ah! Don't put it over here. I'm scared. Yeah. Ah! Holy shit, I'm scared. This man is crazy. Ah! DJ, get it out. Get it out, DJ. No! I don't want to stop. All right. Y'all, I thought I didn't get that last clip, but I did. I'm good, shit. Let's use this high sensitivity motherfucker. See what we got going. I need a hook. I need a weight on that, huh? You don't think so?
Nah, it just fall slow. That's what you want. With some goes, shit. Yeah, I looked at that shit.
Oh yeah, that one new. So I ain't used that one yet. You the first person to use it. You using it before me.
Yeah, so I'm gonna catch the fish on the way. Good luck to it. I just want to see
right in a damn tree. This one's super duper light. I like it. You gotta fish with this one. This one light. Yep. Fuck them. Alright, y'all. I just caught a bass. I didn't catch it, so I'm gonna catch another one. I'm claiming it. need to get by that grass line again.
Are you ain't using this one? Are you just relying?
That line too thick. Ooh, it feel good catching it on this motherfucker too. Damn, I was supposed to be recording. Record on my phone because I need to promote TEMU, excuse me, but alright. Where my phone go? Damn, where I just put my phone?
What you doing, worm too?
Some type of swim jig that TEMU gave. Yeah. No, you can change it if you want to. Oh wait, yes I have caught something with that. A fucking whatchamacallit? That's not TEMU. That's from the store. I thought that was something else. Yeah, that bow fin. That's what I got with that.
What you got?
I got, it's in my backpack. No, look in my backpack. I'm finna, what you wanna use? What I'm using? Brush hog? Probably. What? You had a bite? Maybe you need worms.
You need swim bait, but that damn
Reel it in, and I can change it for you.
Next time I'm gonna
Huh?
next time I'm gonna
Yeah, because I did a terrible job, huh?
you just ain't tied tight to the spool.
To the spool? You can untie it and tie it if you want to.
Like this.
Yeah. You got it? Through the head, at the back. So I go. You want one of these, DJ?
I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this motherfucker.
There you go.
Bass Pro gave you this. Ah, shit, I'm glad I didn't get no bite.
Would have came off, huh?
Wait, all I did was pull it.
Oh, I had a bite. Fuck. Yes.
Oh God, I'm not gonna lose to me. What the hell? What
Oh,
the hell?
at least I'm not gay.
Hey, don't tell the group chat about this. Ah, she did it. At least I'm not gay.
Try to do like this, like do a little jerk when you reel in slow.
Evie got her ass kicked by V-Ski. On the blood, giving lessons, catching fish until a nigga had to dry this motherfucker. God damn, this is the Bass Pro.
Fish on. Ah, why you grab the line, fool?
I'll give you a pose to get
Fuck!
your damn camera started.
Damn!
Get that camera fucking started, bro. She gonna try to push. She gonna try to blame it on me, bro. I ain't even grabbed the fucking line.
But them both fans hit like, I don't know. What the
That
fuck?
fight crazy, though. He didn't took your shit.
God, what the hell? Scared the shit out of me. I couldn't even grip the pole right.
Hey, that motherfucker done slid out her hand.
Woo, shit. You see where that water just jumped at over there? Go over there. Yeah. We need to stay over here. In this area.
If y'all like how y'all seen these rides work, please go download the TEMU app right now. Use code DZG3952. Get $20 off. Y'all go shop. Don't cheat yourself. Please yourself.